Hello everyone and welcome to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making chow mein. You will need a 340 grams or 12-ounce pack of chow mein noodles. You are going to boil your noodles in a large pot of water with 1 teaspoon of salt. When your noodles has finished boiling according to the pack directions, drain your noodles, rinse it with cold water. Drain that, and after you are going to add 1 tablespoon of oil to prevent your noodles from sticking. Now let's get started. You will need 3 tablespoons sesame oil. Make sure your oil is hot. And you are now going to add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute that for about a minute or 2. And you are going to add the first vegetable, which is carrots. You're allowed to cook for about 5 minutes to saute because the carrot is the hardest vegetable. So this is 3 cups of thinly sliced carrots. Allow it to saute. After it has sauteed, you are now going to add your next vegetable, which will be the sweet peppers. And that's 2.5 cups of sweet peppers. Now we are going to add our sweet peppers. We're now going to add the rest of our vegetables. 5 pimento peppers thinly sliced. 4 cups of bok choy, or you can use cabbage if you like. 1/2 cup of thinly sliced chives. Now we are going to add the rest of our ingredients. This will be 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I'm going to mix this. Then we are going to add all of our noodles. We're going to stir this up. You can taste. If you need any more salt, you can add your salt at this time. Guys, is our chow mein noodles. You remove it from your heat and you serve. You can also add chicken or shrimp just to mix it up.